Welcome to day 20 of our 30 days pattern drafting class. We're making this dress on your screen. It's a 2-in-1 neckline, a raised neckline and a scallop neckline put together as one. It also has a flange. There's a video already on how to create a raised neckline on this account. Go on and attach a link to the video to this particular video. So this is our bust line. We're just going to go ahead and decide how deep we want our neckline to be. We're going to create our neckline very close to our bust line, say 1 inch away from our bust line. There we go ahead and connect it with a straight line like this. Then using a curve or a free hand, we'll go ahead and create our scallops. If you want your scallops to be bigger than this, what you will do is you create large scallops, and we'll go on and measure from our shoulder area to our bust line. From the bust line we add 3 inches first, and what we're going to have is 12 times 2, 24. I'm just going to work with centimeters here and make it 10 centimeters. Okay, so whatever you mark as your length, divide it by 2, and at this point you measure out 5 inches. Then at the 5-inch mark, you line this slant and you do another one like this. And trim it. You go ahead and contour your under bust area so that your dress would fit. So this is our under bust line. You control it as per your measurements. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. I actually cut it on fold for 2, so that's for front and back, not for 2, actually front and back. You attach this like this first, and then you join this to this part, and that's how you go about this style.